Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this purple themed makeup look for you. If you'd like to see how I achieved the look, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera and primed my face as well. So now I'm just going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer and prime my eyelids. Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. First taking that lighter shade there, and we're going to use it to set the concealer. Next taking the shade Oyster, and I'm going to apply that to the crease and blend it out. And I just remembered to grab the tape because I wanted to make this eye look sharp. Then just going back in with that blending brush and blending it all out. And this is why it takes so long to do my makeup. Take a small detailer brush with some concealer and we're going to carve out the cut crease. Taking some purple glitter and I'm going to apply that directly on top of where I just applied the concealer. Using the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Edition palette, I'm going to take that silvery shade there and apply it to the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to remove the tape from my eyes and see how that turned out. Which was a complete fail. So now I need to go back in with some more eyeshadow and the blending brush and try and fix it up. Now time for some eyeliner. I'm just taking my black eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna outline the bottom of my eyes, which I hadn't done in so long and it felt super weird. For mascara, I'm taking my all-time favorite mascara by L'Oreal Paris and coating my lashes. Then I'm going to apply some red cherry lashes to complete my eye look. For foundation, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way, and what you do is just completely miss your face, get it all over your pants, and then you just pick it off there and dot it all over your face. Then take a damp beauty blender and blend it all in. Going back in with the Kat Von D concealer and just applying it under my eyes, down my nose and on my chin and forehead. Then taking my beauty blender again and blending it all in. Now we're going to bake the face using my Coralline translucent powder, and we're just going to put that wherever I put the concealer. Now I'm going to contour my face using my Australis contour kit. translucent powder again, I'm going to go and underline my contour just to sharpen it up. Next, taking my Too Faced blush in the shade Dream Lover and applying it to the apples of my cheeks and blending it up. Now going in with my Lavender Snow Skin Frost by Jeffree Star and applying it to the high points of my face. And then finally going in and fixing my eyelash that was falling off. Now the cake is set, so we can dust away all that bake. For my lips, I'm using Bedazzled by Colourpop and lining the lips with Kylie Cosmetics' Head Over Heels. I really need to work on applying false lashes because those babies just did not want to stay down. That is the lips done. For setting spray, I'm taking my Milani Make It Dewy and spritzing that all over my face. And that is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!